Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about how arith operators are going to be work in Python. There are different types of operators just like C and C++, Java which are supporting. That operators are also supporting on Python. So here first we have discussed about arithmetic operators. So what are the arithmetic operators are? So here you see addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, then lastly comes out as a float division. Okay, lastly comes out a float division. Then all the operators are generally for the using inside the expression for the arithmetic calculations. So how these operators are written data are written result by help of the data, let's see through programming. Okay, so let's first we start the x equal to we have to take some data a equal to 6 and b equal to 3. Okay, then print a plus b. Okay, so this is for addition, then comma addition, fine, slash end equal to, don't give this thing, you have to give a print only for the new line. Next print subtraction, then comma a minus b. Okay, don't need for semicolon. Okay, print, then print multiplication, space comma double quote a multiplication b. Okay, print. So first we see all the results of addition, subtraction, multiplication, then we proceed for others. Okay, so let's see what is going to be written, all the expressions inside this print statement. Okay, so first addition returns 9, subtraction returns 3, check it, yes, right result is going to be written here, and multiplication it also returns the 18. Okay, so these are the results. Now we move on for the division, modulus, exponentiation, exponent, then here lastly float division. Okay, what is last for the float division? Then here comes out next as a division, print division colon slash a division b, then print, lastly comes out a modulus, a modulus b, print. Okay, so now let's see what is going to be written, division and modulus. Run it and see, inside division it returns a fraction value. So here always you remember, when you go for the single division it returns the fraction value. So 2.0 is the fraction value returns here. Okay, 2.4 2.0 is a fraction value returns here. So here you have to see single division, and there is also double division, yeah, multiple divisions. So how it is going to be differentiate with single division and double division? So let's see here, print, then comes out here modulus, then after modulus there is called a exponent, exponent. Okay, colon, then slash comma a exponent b, then print. Fine, then run it. Here return 216. Okay, a exponent 3. Fine, understood how it is going to be work. Then lastly we go for the float division. Then comma A floor division B, then print. So what is going to be written here? C. So inside floor division it returns 2. What is going to be written here? 2. How? When you divide this 6 with 3, the remainder is going to be 0 when it is goes to the modulus. Here see, the modulus written here 0, but when the quotient you have to take, there is a division, you have to take here quotient, fine, but in the fraction form. But when you go for the floor division, it takes as a quotient form, but no fractional value. Here no fractional value, no fractional value, fine, no fractional value, that's it. So this is the uh, main important arithmetic operators, how it behaves in expression or statements. That is the thing. Okay, so I hope so you all the points are going to be understand. If there is any doubts, go through the comment box and type there. Okay, and please like and share this video, subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.